Welcome to the definitive guide on how to engineer wealth from absolute zero in the United States. Most people spend their entire lives working for money without ever understanding the mechanics of how money works for them. In the US economy, the gap between the middle class and the ultra-wealthy isn't just about capital. It's about access to specialized information. Today, we are closing that gap. We begin with the concept of the American financial illusion. Many of you were taught that a high-paying job is the ticket to freedom. But in a 2026 economy defined by high inflation and shifting tax codes, a salary is just a temporary advantage. To truly win, you must transition from a consumer to an asset owner. Phase 1. The zero capital entry point. The biggest barrier to entry in the US market is the belief that you need $10,000 to start. That is false. Through the power of fractional investing and commission-free platforms like Vanguard and Charles Schwab, you can start with the cost of a single cup of coffee. We are focusing on the S&P 500, specifically low-cost ETFs like VOO. By owning the 500 largest companies in America, you aren't gambling, you are betting on the continued dominance of the US economy. Phase 2. Defeating the invisible tax. Inflation is the silent killer of the American dream. If your money is in a standard big bank savings account, earning 0.01% interest, you are effectively paying a 4% tax every year to the economy. You must move your emergency fund into high-yield savings accounts, WISA, or money market funds. This is the first specialist move that separates the billionaire mindset from the average saver. Phase 3. The tax-advantaged fortress. The US government provides legal loopholes to grow wealth tax-free. If you aren't maximizing your Roth IRA or 401k matching, you are leaving hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table over a 30-year horizon. We are diving deep into the compounding math. A $500 monthly investment in a diversified US index fund, compounded at 10% annually, turns into over $1 million. This isn't a theory, it's mathematical certainty. Phase 4. Scaling your human capital. To accelerate this process, you must solve expensive problems. The US market rewards specialists. Whether it's high-ticket sales, AI integration, or specialized trade skills, increasing your active income allows you to feed your passive income engine faster. This is the 10-year rule in action. You work hard for a decade to ensure you never have to work again for the rest of your life. This is the end of the struggle and the beginning of your empire. The system is designed to be complex to keep you out. But now you have the keys. Take action, stay consistent, and master your mindset.